Look at this. Is this a broomfish? Look at this. Is this an eel?
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a comet fish? Look at this. Is this a red devilfish?
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a red devilfish?
Woohoo!
Look at this. Is this a comet fish? Look at this. Is this a comet fish?
Yeah!
Look at this. Is this a broomfish?
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. Is this a zebra cichlid fish?
Yes.
Look at this. Is this a channel fish?
Goodbye.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a comet fish? Look at this. Is this a zebra cichlid fish?
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a red devilfish? Look at this. Is this a channel fish?
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a common fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. This is a lemon fish. Look at this. It is a broom fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a common fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is an eel.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a broom fish.
Goodbye!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish. Look at this. It is a common fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a broom fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is an eel.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a common fish. Look at this. It is a red devil fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a red devil fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is a common fish.
Yes! Goodbye!
Yeah!